back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Get ready to cozy up your home for winter. In today's video, we are going to be talking about our top 5 decorating tips to adding warmth and making your home warm and cozy for winter. We all love our homes to be warm and cozy and to give us a sense of security, especially in those dark, dreary winter months. So today I would like to bring some creative ways to bring the outdoors in, as well as adding some different lighting tips and winter scents to give you that warm and cozy feeling in your home. So if that is something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell for more inspiration. All right, so you guys have seen my lounge before, but today I thought we would do it a little bit differently, and I would show you how my lounge looks in the evening and what I have done to bring in some warm and cozy vibes for winter. So we'll start here on my coffee table. This arrangement, you will remember, I had here for Christmas, and it's still winter. You use pine for winter. So the only thing I did was remove the items that screamed Christmas and left the greenery. And because it is cold outside, I did leave in these little snowballs. So this is the first tip I would have for you to bring some warm, cozy vibes into your home for winter, is to create a simple arrangement using what you already have. So if you had this out for Christmas, you can still use it for winter. Just remove the things that said Christmas, and you have a very nice, elegant winter look. To also warm up the area, I've added this candle. Candles bring a sense of warmth and ambiance to your home for winter. I like to have them lit all throughout the house. They not only make it warm and cozy, but it gives you a great scent. You could use a winter pine, you could use acorn spice, even pumpkin. Pumpkin is considered fall, but if you like pumpkin, use pumpkin. You can use whatever scent you like. Just like the warm, cozy vibe that candles give to your home for winter. So I also have my fireplace going. So this is a faux fireplace. You guys have seen it many times before, but I have turned it on to give a cozy winter ambiance. Also, I have styled out my faux mantle. You guys have seen this faux mantle many times. It is just a floating bookshelf that I have on top of the fireplace here. So this is the look that we also had for Christmas. And why switch it up when it works perfectly well for winter? This candle I did not have at Christmas time, or this candle holder. I found it right after Christmas, I want to say, at TJ Maxx. It was $6 or $8, but it fits perfectly and matches perfectly with the candle holders that we got from Kirkland's. So these small ones are from Kirkland's a couple of Christmases ago, and this one is from TJ Maxx last year. But as you can see, they give the perfect winter ambiance here in the space, along with the fireplace. And I've just kept everything simple, nothing over the top here in this space. But if you step back and we sat down here in the chair, you can see how nice and relaxing this would be in the evening with a hot cup of coffee or tea or a glass of wine or your beverage of choice. So the next thing you want to create a warm and cozy vibe are throws. So this is a throw that I picked up from the Goodwill. It was 99 cents. It actually matches a throw that I showed you that I was in love with from CB2. I did a come shop with me at CB2 where I picked out everything I wanted. If you missed that video, I will leave it linked in the description. I will leave it linked in the description box down below so you can go check it out. but there was a blanket that was similar, or a throw similar to this, and I want to say it was probably around $100. But again, we're getting the look for less for just 99 cents. So you cannot go wrong with a throw. I always recommend a good throw to bring warmth and ambiance to your space. Pillows, also you need pillows to bring in the warm and cozy texture. These pillows again are pillows that I have had for a while. Again, we're about using what we have. So these pillows, these came from, I want to say, Home Goods 2 or 3 years ago. So I've had them for several years now. These pillows again are our pumpkin pillows that I just picked up from Kirkland's, and we switched them to the pumpkin side to the back, and this is how this area looks, just perfect. Again, pillows bring in the extra warm and cozy vibe for winter, and also pick out some pillows with texture. On this one, you can see this is plain, like a linen material, but it does have that little fringe at the top. Over here, this is a sequin pillow where if you brush it one way, it's one color, and if you brush it back the other way, it's another color. The look for winter that I want, so I have it styled here on my love seat in the lounge, and I absolutely love it. Another way to bring in a warm and cozy vibe into your home is with smart lighting. So I have a Philips Hue in the lamp over there, and I can have my Google Assistant change the light to any color that I want. Hey Google, change the light in the loft to light blue.
Okay, changing the hue color lamp 3 to light blue.
And as you can see, she's changed the lamp to light blue. Hey Google, change the light in the loft to warm white.
Alright, changing the hue color lamp 3 to warm white.
And as you can see, she's changed the color to warm white. So adding a smart bulb will also give you a warm and cozy vibe into your home. And you don't have to change it yourself. You can ask your Google or your Siri to change it for you. This is a Philips Hue. I got it several years ago. They also are all throughout my house. You can find them really inexpensively now. I will leave a few linked in the description box down below, as well as on my Amazon storefront. Anything that I mentioned on my home or in my home, you can always find and shop in my Amazon store 24/7. When you do, I do get a small commission, so thank you in advance. But yes, this is how the lounge is looking for winter. I hope you have enjoyed these simple tips in today's video. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this evening view of my lounge. Generally, I show it to you when it is all light outside, but as you can see, it's getting dark outside, sun's going down, and I thought you would enjoy this simple ambiance. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I also did something similar in my living room, so if you missed that video, I will also leave that linked in the description box down below, so as well as in the iCards above, so you can go check that out. But yeah, this is how my lounge looks in the evenings, and I absolutely love it.